Ooh, I guess none of them was right. Some of it did sprinkle down on the door. Was that cool or what? Was that cool or what? It was too loud?
Yeah.
It was too loud. You couldn't have grew up where Poppy grew up. Because we heard sounds like that every other night.
Are you doing another one?
The last one, Boobas. That's why you were supposed to enjoy it and come out and look with Poppy instead of being fraidy cat. That was it, Boobas. That's what I was telling you. That was it. Yeah.
This gotta be the last one.
Oh, it's like a, I guess it's Minnie Mouse or Kitty. What does it look like? A kitty?
It could have been a bit on the head.
It could have been on your cheek too.
Did it? It doesn't work.
It doesn't work.
No, touching. Time to do it. Touching.
So what do you think about our fireworks show?
It was pretty loud.
If you rate it 1 out of 10, 10 being the best, what do you give it?
I give it a lot.
A what? A lot?
A lot.
A lot of thumbs up?
A lot of them.
Well, thank you. That was my first time shooting off fireworks.
Hey, can I do another one?
Baby, that was the last one, Boobas.
Is there some in the trunk?
No, baby, that was it. That's why Poppy was saying enjoy it.
Yeah.